WDFA! Turn that up. Wonder if this is from
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morris County, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, south central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey until 4:30 p.m. At 3:49
Just to
p.m.,
be
a
curious.
severe thunderstorm was located over Great Meadows, Vienna, or 17 miles southwest of Newton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Not Holly.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage.
As a chat
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and
They
outbuildings.
haven't.
Locations impacted
Found one.
include Hocatcong,
Oh, this is
Hocatstown,
gonna-
Wharton, Washington, Mount
This might be a
Arlington,
doubleheader.
Oak, Pitcall, Belvedere, Harmony, Oxford, Glen Gardner, Chester, Hampton, California,
This is a
Grass Castle,
doubleheader.
Long Valley, Great Meadows, Vienna, Alamoki Panther Valley, Succothana, and Pleasant Valley.
That should just be special.
New Jersey between mile markers 17 and 33. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to
Oh, the
life and
COVID-19.
safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room
on the
the
lowest floor of
the
a building.
In addition to large hail and damage
Whoa.
winds, frequent ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this
This
storm.
storm.
Move indoors immediately.
Immediately.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close.
Whoa! Cut off! Wait. The blood?